Huizhou Illusion LED Lighting Limited Company. It's from Huizhou Illusion LED, in Chinese name, Hua Yutong. Hello. Hello, Boson.
Hi.
Hi,
Hello. Yes.
Hi, Boson. This is Jane. This is Jane from Lightstrade. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Jen. Nice to meet you. I'm honored to be invited to attend this internet live show. I hope in your help and we can have a great achievement in the near future. Thank you.
Thank you. Of course, we will achieve that success together. Thank you. Thank you, Boson.
Yeah.
And thank you for participating in Lightstrade Factory Tour special event. And Boson, would you like to give us like 10 to 15 minutes to give us a brief introduction of your company and or your product line or anything you want to show us for our overseas customers? Thank you.
Okay. It's a good chance for me to do this introducing. My introducing will be three parts. First part will be who is Illusion and what we producing. And the third party is what is our main products and we are selling well. So for the first part is Illusion, starting LED strip light manufacturing since 2006. It means that we have 15 years in this industrial, and we have rich experience in producing and selling overseas markets. Also, we have a lot of famous brand customer cooperation. So many years. Yeah. So and we are factory. It's very important to show you this part. We have our we are in Huizhou. We built our self-industrial park, and we own the land, the building, and all of the facilities here. So for us, we think as a factory, we are have a strong financial support any kind of big customer, and we are welcome any new inquiries. This first part, and second part, we are mainly in LED strip light. For example, for the traditional SMD 2, 835, and 5050, and even more is our traditional products. And now we are selling popular products, COB, totally strip light. It can be single color, RGB, even we are developing RGBW. So our product range is quite full range. And the related controller and the connectors, we also have facility to produce and selling. We have good cooperation with tuya company, and so we produce the tuya apps controller by ourselves. This second part, and the third part is I want to show you our one kind of the product we work with the tuya apps. We call it RGB CCT. Here you can see this is let me turn off. Here you can see it's one RGB, two white color. The two color white is warm white and cold white from 2,700 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin. So it's full range. Color for the using.
The color
I can use the servo.
The app.
Yes. I can use the apps. You can see when I turn on, it will be red, and you can use in different. Okay. When blue, it will be blue, easy, and you can change here. It's quite easy, and also dimmable. Yes, dimmable. If you want the white color, then you can use the white color. And yeah, it's also dimmable. And this is cool white. And next will be warm white, I think. You can press here
the temperature
to reach the color changing and the color temperature. Yes. Yeah. And also there's some how to say the sense you can choose in the setting, or you can do it your customize depends on your DIY function. Here you can see an ad. Ad it means you can do the DIY sense as you want. Yeah, this part is it can lighting up depends on the voice. We call the music. When you play the music for the party, it will change in the car accordingly. It's working quite well, and we are selling a lot in the market. Here you can see this time setting and schedule is quite how to say it's a very good product. So this is we call the smart light in our factory.
Smart light. Yeah.
Yes.
And and this product is cooperated with tuya app controller, which you have innovated this controller, and with RGB and the white, and you can change the full range of the spectrum, and also can change the color temperature by the app. Great.
Yes,
and
correct.
You can do some settings of a DIY, so you can add that mode by your intention. That's really good.
Yeah.
Thank you, boss.
And next one, I would like to show you our COB products.
COB products.
Yeah. Yes. It's when it's not like that before, it will be like this. This is replacement for the SMD 2210 2216 because the price is too high when using for the thin light. You know, some customer they buy the strips used for the alumni profile to reach the alumni inner light. So that's why the market developed this kind of new products. I think Illusion is not first product. It's not only factory made this. Just a lot of factory they made, but different factory have the different quality range. Yeah, yeah. So this one we made for one of the famous brand in Germany, and it's selling a lot. So I want to show. Normally it will be ranged in like this in round, and there's a DC connector. Yes, it also can be open wide lead. It depends on your customer's request. If the customer wants the DC connector, then we can make it for you. It will be like that. If the customer they only want the red and cable like this, then we can make it for this. So I'll show you. Yes, you can see. No, it's not very clear.
Now it's focusing.
Yeah, you can see it's no any dark front when lighting up. So that's why we call this totally strip light, and it's a kind of I think it will be the trend in the market. But now the price is maybe is a little higher than the traditional SMD strips. For this we have a different range, and 320 LD per meter, 480 LD per meter, 384 LD per meter, and also we do have a 528 LD per meter. The color can be 2,000 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin. It's quite different. Also, we have a CCT tunable from 2,700 to 6,000 Kelvin. is a tunable one, and I show you one is only in the single color, and we do have the RGB and yeah, RGBW is developing. It's quite expensive, so I do not want to recommend to you. Okay, for this time, I only want to show you these two kind of products. It would be maybe in the market. There's some needing and request. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Boston. The two products that you have just showed us and the detailed analysis and do all the applications for the introduction of the products are really good. And I'm expecting the new or innovative or other production because these products are really good. And the next session, maybe next month or next time, let's try doing this special event like factory tour, and we are going to invite you to participating again and show us a more surprise, just like this one. So wonderful and really good. Thank you, Boston.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, Boston, and have a good day. So let's call it today.
Have a good day. Thank you, Jane. Bye bye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Boston. Bye bye. See you.